Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're using an administrator Microsoft account. Without that, you cannot remove family safety. Once signed in, make sure to export or note any shared schedules or screen time settings you need, because removal deletes them. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users. This is where Windows lists family members and parental controls. Now that the page is open, locate the child or organizer account you want to remove and prepare to take action. Once you see the family member entry, click it and choose Remove. Windows will ask you to confirm. Do that to sever the account association. After removal, open Apps and Features and uninstall the Microsoft Family Safety app to stop device-level enforcement. Then, make sure to visit the Family Safety web dashboard to delete any leftover relationships or scheduled rules. This ensures the account can't reapply limits. If the person is a child, you may need to transfer or delete their data, as prompted by Microsoft. Finish by restarting the PC to let policy changes take effect. Once restarted, go back to Settings, right arrow Accounts to verify no family members remain. If you still see restrictions, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to refresh sync settings, and make sure the Family Safety app is fully uninstalled. If restrictions persist, remove the device from your Microsoft account online and then re-add it. This forces a full policy reset. If that fails, contact Microsoft support for account-level assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.